You ever seen a tile job where you just shake your head and wonder how the hell did that happen? Or the tiles are so uneven, it's just embarrassing. Well, there's a solution. This is the Delt leveling system by Ruby. I don't know when they came out with this stuff, but I wish I would have found it years and years ago. Makes it a lot easier. You got a bag of wedges, and they fit into these little spacers, which come in a different bag. And I've been doing tile for a lot of years, and I've always used the little tile spacers. But one thing I do know for sure is the larger the tile that you install into your shower or kitchen or wherever you put tile, the larger the tile, the more it's going to show imperfections in the wall. And if you want to get a perfectly level tile job, you better be really good at it, have a really straight wall, or have some kind of advantage like this fastening system here. You just put these little red pieces in between the tile, like tile spacers, and then take your wedge and tighten them up. Each of these little wedges has some grooves in it that snap, so each time you put more pressure on it, it snaps. And here we're putting in a new piece of tile, and we have the spacers in there. Now we're taking the wedges and cranking them in there, and it gets those seams in the tile to level up perfectly. As long as you have enough space between the back of your tile so that your thin set mortar is touching the cement board, you'll be fine. After you get your new piece of tile in place, you need to put those spacers in right away for the next piece. Otherwise it's hard to get in there because the thin set starts to dry on you. I was actually kind of surprised at how easy this system is to use, and these tiles are perfectly level. If this YouTube channel ever gets big enough to make any money, I'll leave a link in the description box on where you can find these. Maybe I'll get a commission on it. Who knows? Anyway, after 24 hours you come back with a rubber mallet, and you can just gently tap these wedges and spacers out, and that'll leave you enough space for your grout line. They come out pretty easy, just a little tap. I wouldn't recommend using a screwdriver or sharp object of any kind. Just a little rubber mallet, little tap, they come right out. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was a couple of uneven cuts of tile on the windowsill, and that was caused by a wandering, wobbly, wet tile saw blade. And we went back and fixed that after we bought a new tile saw, and that'll be my next video. Does your wet tile saw blade suck? Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.